Good morning students. Today we will study class 9 chapter number 12, that is sound. In today's lecture we will study about the application of multiple reflection and range of hearing. So firstly we will discuss the uses of multiple reflection. As in previous lectures, we had studied about the phenomena which are related to multiple reflection, that is echo and reverberation. So in echo you will see the how the sound of human being after multiple reflection is heard to us. So here we will discuss in what aspects or in what the daily phenomena the multiple reflection is uses. So first is in megaphones, horns, musical instruments such as trumpet, shehnais are designed in such a way so that sound always give the multiple reflection. So they are designed, as you see in the figure, they are designed in such a way that after reflection the sound always goes in a particular direction without spreading. So these are the design of these musical instruments which are used to get the sound without spreading. Number 2 is stethoscope. As you know, doctor always examine your internal disease by using stethoscope in your day-to-day life. So stethoscope is used to listen the sound produced in the body parts. So mainly heart or lungs are the body parts which gives the signals and the rhythm of heart directly received by the ear of doctor with the help of stethoscope. So stethoscope also work on the phenomena of multiple reflection. So next is the ceiling of concert halls and cinema halls are curved. So why the ceilings of cinema halls and concert halls are curved? Because the after the multiple reflection of the sound, they can reach to the each and every corner of the halls. As you see in the diagram, this is the source of sound and this is the ceiling of hall or concert hall or auditorium that is curved in shape. So these are the audience. So when the sound from a source is strike on a curved hall or a curved ceiling of the hall, then it after reflection it goes to the each and every corner of the hall so that we are able to hear the sound in the concert halls. So as you see here, it is a sound board. When the sound is strikes on the soundboard, it reflected. So when it reflected, it goes into particular direction, or when it pass from the curved surface, it goes to the particular direction and help us to listen the sound from each and every corner of the concert hall. So in this way we can say that the multiple reflection is very important phenomena in our day-to-day life. So next is range of hearing. So what does it mean? So range of hearing means in what limit we can hear the sound of other human being. So as we know, the audible range of sound for human being is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. So we can simply write as 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. So we know 1 kilohertz is 1000 hertz. So we can also write as the audible range of sound for human being is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. The children which are under the age of 5 and some animals like dog can hear the sound up to 25,000 hertz. Is that clear? So certain animals like whales and dolphins, dogs has the different frequency range. Here the sound of frequency below 20 Hz. So if the frequency is below than 20 Hz, then it is called infrasonic wave. So whales and bats and dolphin had the low frequency range. Also, earthquakes has also low frequency, so they can easily heard by the animals first as compared to human being. Next is the sound of frequency more than 20,000 Hz. So it is called ultrasonic waves. So the ultrasonic waves are the waves which has frequency more than 20,000 Hz. So there are different instruments or different animals that are using the ultrasonic waves. So here we had learned here about the range of hearing. So kept in mind 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. Here before 20 Hertz it is called infrasonic waves, or after 20,000 Hertz it is called ultrasonic waves. So next is hearing aids. So hearing aids is an electronic battery operated device that is used by the people who lost their hearing ability. In old age, lot of people lost their hearing ability, so that they have to use a hearing device. So how it is work? The hearing devices convert the sound wave into electrical signal. So electrical signal is amplified by the amplifier and send it to the speaker of the hearing aid. The speaker of the hearing aid contains megaphone. So that speaker convert the signal and send it to the air. So that signal is converted to sound and send it to air. So in this way we can say that hearing devices are work. So here we had completed the range of hearing and the uses of the multiple reflection. So I will tag the PDF along with this video. You can revise the chapter sound as much as you can. So it is very important for the examination point of view. Thank you.